Hi, it's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and today I'll show you how to export Google Chrome bookmarks. So we have these two bookmarks, Wikipedia and YouTube, and to export them go to these three little dots, go to Bookmarks and go to Bookmark Manager. And over here we can see our bookmarks. Now go again on the three dots, but now in this blue ribbon, and click Export Bookmarks. And just export them somewhere on a desktop, for example. And if you go to your desktop, you will see that we have our bookmarks over here, and the bookmark will be in the HTML format. To import bookmarks, it's a similar procedure. Let's delete these two and go again these three little dots, import bookmarks, and find your bookmarks. Click open. You can see your bookmarks in the bookmark manager and in the bookmark bar over here. And this is it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, drop some comments and likes below, and have a nice day. Bye bye.